MashaAllah, there are in front of me a lot of cranes or egrets. Actually, I don't know what is the name, specific name uh, of these birds. Uh, so I am going in front of them gradually. Let's see what happens. Oh no, how beautiful is it? How amazing is it? I really can't imagine this views. Oh no, oh so আল্লাহ মাশাআল্লাহ জামিল। অত্যন্ত সুন্দর ভিউ। সকালবেলায় গ্রাম্য পরিবেশ খুব সুন্দর লাগলো। ভিডিওটা খুব ভালো লাগলো। অনেকগুলো উড়ে গেল যদিও। বাহ, this is the natural beauty of morning in our rural area in village. I am walking alone and I got these birds beside the roads, and I have recorded this video, or I record. I have recorded some information about our rural area, and I have uh, got emerging view and an emerging view. Thank you so much.